Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Champions League on TV. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our TV right here. Once you're now on the homepage, what we're going to do is to look for apps, which is right here on the upper part, or you can just go into Play Store and then just go into the search bar and then search for HBO Max. After that, click on enter. After doing that, you'll just have to, of course, choose HBO Max right here. So it really depends on what country you are living in. Every country has a different platform where you can watch Champions League. So if you are from UK, you can watch it through HBO Max. However, if you are from Canada, you can watch it through Fubo TV. And then if you're from USA, you can watch it from Paramount Plus. So you'll just have to, of course, look for the streaming platform that is available in your country, and you'll just have to search it right here on the Google Play Store or the search bar. But in my case, since this is from the United Kingdom, I'm going to search for HBO Max because that is what available in my country. So after that, click on enter. And then after that, make sure that you install it. And then once it is installed, just click on open. And then in this part, you'll just have to either get started or sign in. So if you already have an account, you can just click on sign in right here. However, if you don't have an account yet, you can now click on get started. Now in this part, you'll have to scan this with your phone. Well, basically, it will redirect you into the sign up page of HBO Max, wherein you'll have to put your account information like your email, your name, and then your preferred subscription in order for you to watch videos inside HBO. And then, of course, put your payment method. Once you've completed the sign up process, this part right here on the TV will now be automatically logged in into your account, and then you can now watch Champions League inside HBO. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.